Hi everyone, welcome to OFW Wealth TV. Our channel is about financial literacy and general finance, and we hope you enjoy our videos. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we dropped our next video. Today, we've got something truly extraordinary for all you aspiring content creators and entrepreneurs. A mind-blowing guide on how to make money on YouTube without even making a single video. Yes, you heard that right. So grab a pen and paper because you're about to learn some incredible strategies that can boost your income to the next level. Strategy 1. Curate compelling content. Curating compelling content on YouTube is a powerful method to attract and engage your target audience without the need to create original videos. The first step is to identify your niche and understand the interests and preferences of your potential viewers. Conduct thorough research to find popular videos related to your niche, which have already proven to resonate with audiences. These videos will serve as the foundation for your curated content. Once you have a list of videos, categorize them into thematic playlists based on topics or specific themes. This organization helps create a cohesive and immersive experience for your viewers, making it easier for them to navigate through your content. Now comes the magic. Adding your unique commentary and insights to the curated videos. This personal touch will set your content apart and establish your authority on the subject. Introduce each video with your commentary, providing context, sharing your perspective, and highlighting key takeaways. This narration not only enhances the viewer's understanding but also adds a personal touch that fosters a sense of connection. Creating engaging titles and descriptions for each playlist is crucial. Use relevant keywords in your titles to optimize search visibility and attract more viewers. Your descriptions should be enticing, providing a glimpse of the value your curated content offers. Visually appealing thumbnail images play a significant role in click-through rates. Design eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent the content and evoke curiosity, compelling viewers to click and explore further. To maximize exposure, promote your curated playlists on various platforms. Share them on your social media channels, relevant forums, and communities within your niche. Encourage viewers to share your playlists, further expanding your reach. Consistency and regular updates are key to maintaining viewer interest. Curate new videos periodically to keep your playlists fresh and relevant. Strategy 2. Master the art of voiceovers. Mastering the art of voiceovers opens up a world of opportunities on YouTube, allowing you to contribute to various video projects without appearing on camera. To begin, it's essential to assess and recognize your unique vocal qualities, such as tone, pitch, and style. Understanding your strengths and weaknesses will help you align your voice with suitable video content. Practice is key to honing your voiceover skills. Work on enunciation, pronunciation, and clarity to deliver a professional and captivating narration. Invest in a high-quality microphone and audio recording setup to ensure clear and crisp sound, as audio quality significantly impacts viewer experience. Creating a voice demo reel showcasing your versatility is a great way to demonstrate your talent to potential collaborators. Include a variety of voice styles, such as narration, character voices, or informative reads to showcase your range and adaptability. With your demo reel in hand, reach out to content creators whose videos align with your voice style. Networking within your niche and engaging with other creators can lead to valuable partnerships. Offer your voiceover services, detailing how your narration can enhance their content and appeal to their target audience. Negotiating compensation and agreements with video creators is an important aspect of working as a voiceover artist. Be transparent about your rates, usage rights, and any specific requirements you have. A fair and mutually beneficial arrangement is essential for a successful collaboration. Before recording a voiceover, thoroughly review the video content to understand its context, flow, and intended message. This familiarity enables you to tailor your delivery to match the video's mood and maintain viewer engagement. Using video editing software, synchronize your voiceover with the visuals for a seamless audio. Visual experience. Pay attention to pacing and timing to ensure your narration complements the video content effectively. Strong communication with video creators is crucial throughout the process. Be open to feedback and willing to make adjustments to meet their vision and audience expectations. Consistency and reliability are essential traits for a successful voiceover artist. Meeting deadlines and delivering high-quality voiceovers will build your reputation and foster long-term collaborations. Strategy 3. Get creative with animation. Getting creative with animation on YouTube allows you to tell compelling stories, convey complex ideas, and captivate your audience visually. Start by researching animation software or tools that suit your content style and expertise level. Choose an animation style such as 2D, 3D, motion graphics, or whiteboard animation that aligns with your content's tone and target audience. Plan a storyboard to map out the visual narrative and sequence of your animation. Design characters, backgrounds, and objects that complement your chosen style and bring your story to life. Animate each scene with attention to detail and smooth transitions. Add text, graphics, and background music or sound effects to enhance the animation's impact. Edit and refine the animation to ensure a polished final product. Export the animation in a suitable video format and resolution for YouTube uploading. Lastly, create an eye-catching thumbnail that represents the animation's content and entices viewers to click and watch. With creativity and dedication, animation can be a powerful tool to engage and entertain your YouTube audience. Strategy 4. Engage as a moderator. Engaging as a moderator involves identifying popular YouTube channels in your niche with active audiences. Participate in the channel's community by leaving insightful comments. Express interest in becoming a moderator to the content creator and highlight your skills in fostering a positive community environment. Collaborate to establish moderation guidelines and actively monitor the comment section, responding to queries and maintaining a respectful atmosphere. Encouraging constructive interactions among viewers builds a strong and engaged community. Strategy 5. Leverage Creative Commons content to leverage Creative Commons content. Familiarize yourself with YouTube's license terms and search for suitable videos using the platform's filters. Verify that the videos have the appropriate license for reuse and modification. Create a list of relevant videos and develop a plan to add value through editing or context. Add your own voiceover or text overlays and ensure proper attribution to the original creator. Upload the modified Creative Commons video to your channel while complying with the license terms. Congratulations! You've unlocked the secrets of making money on YouTube without making a video. From curated playlists to captivating voiceovers, animation, moderating, and leveraging Creative Commons content. These strategies are your keys to success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share it with all your fellow aspiring YouTube entrepreneurs. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips and exciting content. Remember, successful YouTube strategies require dedication, creativity, and consistent effort. Implementing these approaches can help you make money on YouTube while catering to your unique content style and audience preferences. Good luck with your YouTube journey.